everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anshika. Today this video is very interesting because I'm gonna share with you how to make lavender water. It is a very simple, you can make easily at home because lavender water is very beneficial for dry hair as well as problem or acne on the skin. So guys, if you're interested how to make lavender water, then please keep on watching. We will need a handful lavender fresh flowers and remove them the stem. We don't need the stem, only buds contain the floral scent. And lavender essential oil. So guys, let's prepare the lavender water. Here I have taken a vessel. Now I am adding 1 cup of distilled water. Do not use tap water because it has a bacteria in the water. And place it over high heat the water until it's come to full boil. And then turn off flame. Now pour the boiling water over the lavender buds so that buds can begin steeping in the hot water. The heat will draw out the oils from the flowers. So now the water will become scented and cover the bowl and let the steep and leave it for few hours, overnight. After 2 hours, strain the buds from the water. But guys, they have a very mild scent, so I will add lavender essential oil. So guys, you can see lavender water is ready. Now I'm going to transfer the water into the spray bottle. You can use any type of favorite bottles. Now I am going to add few drops of essential oil. And shake the bottle well. So lavender water is ready to use. If you want longer shelf life, you can add hazel or vodka. And you may also store it in the refrigerator to keep fresh. Now I am going to show you how to apply lavender water and along with benefits. First wash your face and take a cotton ball and spray some water on it and wipe your face and neck. Regular use of the lavender water on the face keeps it looking young and bright. Lavender contains powerful antioxidant that can fight against harmful effects of pollution on the skin, and lavender water has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can fight bacteria that causes acne and inflammation. If you want strong treatment for acne, add few drops of lavender essential oil and tea tree oil. Simply soak a cotton ball and apply it on the blemished skin and liberally overripe acne. Tea tree oil is great for acne. Tea tree oils consist of antibacterial and antimicrobial compound that acts effectively against the bacteria that causes acne breakouts. Keep it overnight and wash it off in the morning, and follow this every night for quick result. So guys, if you want shiny hair and dandruff free hair, use lavender water in your hair. After shower, spray all over hair length and small amount into your scalp. And because lavender has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties of the plant that helps eliminate itchiness and dandruff on the scalp, and also helps softness hair, restore moisture too, and promote shine for dry and dull hair. So guys, follow this remedy every day for best result. I hope you guys this video is very helpful. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share and like. Thanks for watching.